The Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G is a cutting-edge smartphone that offers a blend of innovation and style. It features a glass front and back with a plastic frame, creating a sleek and durable design. The device boasts a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus support for vibrant visuals. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and more, ensuring seamless interactions and navigation. The device is equipped with various sensors such as an under-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass, and color spectrum sensor. A non-removable 4,700 mAh battery powers the phone, supporting 100W wired charging with rapid charging technologies. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, running on Android 13 with Color OS 13.1, the phone ensures powerful performance. Its camera system includes a 50 megapixels wide lens, 64 megapixels periscope telephoto lens, and 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens for versatile photography. The front camera captures 32 megapixels selfies with detailed clarity. The Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G encapsulates modern technology, offering a glimpse into the future of mobile devices. For more information and similar videos, visit ITWeb.co.za, South Africa's leading technology news website.